The Defence Acquisition Council led by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh discussed the Project 75I in detail at a high-level meeting today, and has cleared the 43,000 crore rupees new generation stealth submarine project, and the request for proposal will be issued soon. The Indian Navy has already identified and cleared the Mazagon Dock shipbuilders and Larsen & Toubro as the Indian strategic partners that can tie up with 5 global manufacturers including French Naval Group, Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems, South Korea's Daewoo Shipbuilding, Spanish firm Navantia and Russia's Rosaboronexport, to build 6 submarines with their independent propulsion system that will be armed with 12 land attack cruise missiles and anti-ship cruise missiles, and it should also be able to carry and launch 18 heavyweight torpedoes. According to a senior officer, the latest request for information for the Army's FRCV program has been received by 12 companies, which includes General Dynamics of US, French firm Nexter, Russia's Rosaboronexport, South Korea's Hyundai Rotem, Germany's Rheinmetall Group, Ukraine's Spectstechno Export, Iveco Consortium of Italy, Yugo Import of Serbia, Israel's Ordnance Corps, UK's BAE Systems, Turkey's Otoka, and India's Defence Research and Development Organization, and all the 12 companies are expected to respond to the request for information by 15th of September 2021. The Russian T-14 Armata, Ukrainian Aplot, French Leclerc and South Korean K-2 Black Panther main battle tanks were preferred by the Army in the last tender, while the American M1 Abrams and the German Leopard did not fit the specifications due to their heavy weight. The 3 Indian armed services are satisfied with the performance of 2 Sea Guardian surveillance drones, and the Navy has already been designated as the lead service by both the Army and Air Force in the acquisition of 30 armed MQ-9B drones from the US worth $3 billion. The Navy has asked the Defense Ministry to hold an early meeting of the Defense Procurement Board to clear the purchase of 30 drones for the 3 services, as they aim to counter the challenge posed by the Chinese Wing Long 2 drone that has already been deployed by both China and Pakistan. After the clearance from Defense Procurement Board, the Navy will move the Defense Acquisition Council for the acceptance of necessity for the procurement, which will be done through the US foreign military sales route under government-to-government scheme. The Indian Navy's Chakra 2 nuclear attack submarine deliberately broadcasted its position through the automatic identification system in the Malacca Strait region, which also underlines direct signaling to the Chinese Navy in the strategic region. INS Chakra had left its home base on 27 May on a 5,000 km long journey to Vladivostok in Russia, possibly after the completion of its 10-year lease period. India and Russia have already signed a $2.5 billion deal to lease a third Chakra 3 nuclear attack submarine for a period of 10 years that will be transferred to the Indian Navy after deep refit and modernization in 2026. It will be equipped with Indian sensors and communication equipment that will eventually make its way into the 6 nuclear-powered SSNs under Project 76. The Chakra 3 will also come with fewer restrictions than the previous Chakra 2 submarine, and the deal reportedly includes a technology transfer to India through the back door.